So here's what we got. I've got all 3 electric pumps on. I've got number 2 engine running with both the green and yellow hydraulic pumps pressurized. And right now we are at, you can show the screen here, we are at 3,500 PSI on the number 2 engine yellow pump, which is the only one, yellow pump 3,500. And if we come back up here to the switchology, we disconnect the yellow, and then we go to the 3,700 PSI. That's how we get the big PSI. Now, if you go ahead and turn off the PTUs and the electric pumps, we say at 37 or 36.5. Then when we re-engage the, I just re-engaged the yellow servo control, and that took us to 33 in normal operating procedure. Now let's look at what the control wheel is doing. Let's go ahead and pause it so we can have a couple short videos.